And are they all ported?
Yeah, so the rear box is ported at like 38 or right around 40. It's a sound cube box. I just sealed it. This box, I believe, is 28 hertz.
Hello, could you I do YouTube videos. JacobViral. How you doing, man?
I'm subscribed.
Okay, that's it. Could you tell me real quick your name and what's in here?
Chris Snow, and my name, I got 3 SoundCube HDS 3.1s, 2 SoundCube HDS 2.1s, and 2 DD 700s, and California Profile 1000 watt, and California Profile 400 watts on mids and highs.
Okay. And are they all ported?
Yeah, so the rear box is ported at like 38 or right around 40. It's a sound cube box. I just sealed it. This box, I believe, is 28 hertz, I believe.
Okay.
So
this is unique. You got a really good bandwidth with the different types of stuff. Okay.
Exactly. I just finished it on Wednesday, so.
Okay. Can I see it back?
Okay, go ahead.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll go on the side. What's going on, everyone? I'm JacobViral. I do daily cardio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around we got of Chris's system. This was at the Team Deadly Hertz TDH show in Virginia of 2021. It's definitely a unique style system. Was not expecting to see something like this at the show, but it makes it fun, and it looks like he started off with just a single box and he wanted a little bit more bass, so he added in that back box in the back. So these are 3 10-inch subwoofers in the back, prefab sound cube box that they have. These are another 2 10-inch subwoofers behind a set of DD Audio 700 series 12-inch subwoofers. And I didn't really see the exact specs to find out if they were a separate chamber between the 10 and 12s, but it looks like they were all a common chamber. And of course, all the other amplifiers and speakers you saw on the walk around. And everybody's here to hear the bass demo. We're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, give them a like. You did a really great job showcasing it at the show. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing as well for daily cardio videos coming your way every day. Enjoy the unique bass demo. Definitely something cool I'm glad to share for everybody.
That's different. Yeah. I just finished it on Wednesday, so.
Okay. Appreciate it.